So this XAUUSD analysis for Monday the 6th of August. Now let's just have a look on prices, where prices may likely go. So previously we've seen prices come down towards this 1204.69, pretty much an area identified where we might find support. Trades slightly below the 24.69 by a couple of cents, from which we've seen strong bullish buy momentum take us through the 1214.26 for a test of that 1220. 1220 we found resistance, pull back down towards a 1214, brief bullish bounce to test the 1220, and we're seeing looking for another test at 1204.69. If we do see a break of the 1204.69, we're looking for a move down towards a 1200, and if there is volatility in the coming days to take us beyond 1200, the very next level of note is of course that 1180 here on the XAUUSD. If however we do see a break back above the 1214.26 and we do hold, we then look for price up towards a 1220. Around the 1220 we do have that confluence of 200 period average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing sell side momentum return to the market from that level, and possibly bring us back down towards that 1214.26. If however we do break and hold above 1220.26, with 1220.67, we're then looking for price set up towards that 1228.20 here on the XAUUSD, where we do have the added confluence of the 400 period moving average. Now let's just have a look here at the higher time frames to see how price is developing. So here on the monthly chart, we can see here we've had a turnaround from the uptrend that we were in. So we did have a bit of a trend developing to the upside. We broke out to the downside. We are seeing that further sell side momentum. So gold is clearly turned a bit of a corner here. Last couple of months we've closed near our lows. We've not seen a bullish bounce in quite some time, so we might see that 1200 tested before seeing a bounce. Other than that, we've mentioned that 1180 being a key level here on the XAUUSD. Now let's just have a look here at the weekly chart, and over on this weekly chart, as you can see, we've tested the 400 period moving average on a couple of occasions, sort of breakout to downside, brief consolidation, from which we've had very persistent and consistent selling here on the XAUUSD. We mentioned the 1200, pretty much this area we've previously found support for seeing this bullish move, and at 1180 again we found support around 1180, found resistance around at 1180 again also. So it is another key level that we are looking at here on the XAUUSD. And finally we'll have a look here at the daily chart, and on the daily chart we can see we've had a bullish bounce from that 1204.69. Higher prices were rejected as indicated by the wick, and more recently we've had another move towards test of higher prices beyond the 1214.26, and again as indicated by the wick, sell side momentum has come back into the market. So we do appear to have quite a bit of sellers above the market holding prices down, so we do have to be aware of that going forward. So we might see that breakdown from this 1204 if we do have another test and a move down towards that 1200. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.